some sections in my hair. But first, I'm gonna comb it out. So, let's comb it. Let's comb it. And like, use a detangle brush. So, if your hair's rough, but my hair's not really. So, I'm doing.
Okay.
I'm kind of bad.
Yeah,
Because I don't know how to really make sections in my hair. So, do you see that line in my hair?
Yep.
Okay, so yeah, guys. So I'm gonna start with some two pigtails down. So yeah, if it looks puffy, it's because my hair is puffy. My hair's not really straight, so you know. So yeah, guys. So I'm gonna start with one right now. I'm just gonna tie this one so it won't get in the way. So I'm just tying it. So guys, let's get started. So I'm putting it down like a little, put it in.
Okay, this is how it looks like. It's pretty good.
So guys, yeah, the next one.
That's how this one looks.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the love for a faded vibe. I'm so faded up. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for?
That's literally it.
Faded up. You some trip out that shit I was kicking to you.
So a simple tutorial. So if your hair's poofy, you can do this. If your hair's straight, you can also do it, but it's like in pigtails. If your hair's curly, of course you can do it. Of course you can do it if your hair's poofy. Like, comment, subscribe, and share, and comment down below.